please, sir.
एक चीज बताइएगा related to this. You see, this was a case which was forced upon the federal government by this court, but they did not go back to 12th of October. Now, in the light of the amendments made in the Constitution, Article 270 AA, read with Article 12, is the door still open to proceed against those who collaborated in what had happened on 12th
Lordship,
October?
had I been given the mandate to argue the appeal, my opening grounds would have been that this is a case where a constitutional crime has been investigated and prosecuted in an unconstitutional manner. For the reason, the obvious, the visible, the aiders, the abettors, the collaborators, those who were involved in the consultation process were dishonestly, there was a let-off. All the members, ये नेशनल असेंबली में ये सारी की सारी इंडोर्समेंट्स हुई इसके ऊपर, प्राइम मिनिस्टर की इन्वॉल्वमेंट थी, लॉ मिनिस्टर की इन्वॉल्वमेंट थी, प्रोक्लेमेशन ऑफ इमरजेंसी के आप ऊपर देखें कि कौन कौन से लोग हैं जो इन्वॉल्व थे, इवन ऑनरेबल जजेस एज सेड बाय
For myself, I have a different view. Were not been legalized, legitimized by this court, there would not have been 3rd of November.
Of course, sir.
But could 3rd of November have been directed, the federal government could have been directed to initiate from 3rd of November and leaving or ignoring 12th of October?
Your Lordship, this was actually attempted right before the decision of the special court. The old prosecution team was notified, denotified, and a new one was notified who stepped in and filed an application that this complaint has not been filed correctly. And there should be certain amendments and changes in the number of accused and an allegations as well. But that application was not entertained, and in a haphazard manner, without recording 342, without listening to my submissions, closing speech, without leading defense evidence, a judgment was handed down, which was not a unanimous judgment. Magar ये अटेम्प्ट होने की कोशिश इस ट्रायल के अंदर भी हुई कि आप इन सारे ओवरऑल whoever was involved, इसका कैनवस बहुत वाइड था. Why target and narrow it down only to one person? This is repellent to common sense that these actions could have been taken single-handedly by one person without the advice of everyone.
नहीं तो खैर ये तो मफरूजों में जा रहे हैं, मगर ये तो उससे तो कोई बात नहीं होगी कि कलेक्टिविटी विल abolish the individual act.
वो है. It only points towards unfairness.
हम जरा 5 मिनट के लिए उठते हैं और शायद फिर आज ही सुना दें उन सीपीज में भी. उधर तो आपको कुछ नहीं कहना है ना, और इसमें भी ठीक है. आपकी क्रिमिनल अपील का नंबर क्या था? 785
सर. एक डिजिट का फर्क होता तो शायद और बेहतरी हो जाती सर.
786.
I hope you're not holding us responsible for that. Achha. No, it's been a pleasure hearing you.
Thank you very much.
Because without making any disparaging remarks on any other criminal lawyers, but criminal lawyers generally do not go deep into the subject, consider the actual constitutional and legal aspects of the case. इसमें लिखिए ये criminal appeal number 785. This appeal was filed by General Retired Pervez Musharraf. In this appeal, General Retired Pervez Musharraf was arraigned as the appellant, and the Federation of Pakistan and the special court and the state were arraigned as respondents. The the appellant had not surrendered himself to the court and had contended, and it was contended on his behalf that he was indisposed abroad of the Criminal Law Amendment within bracket Special Court bracket Closed Act 1976. To consider the office objection and full stop. When did he pass away?
So this is 5/2/23.
Mr. Salman Safdar. Learned Mr. Salman Safdar, representing the appellant, pointed out that the appellant passed away on
5th February 23.
5th February 2023. And would be contacting his legal heirs to take instructions. The matter came up before this court on 10th of November 2023, and opportunity was granted to Mr. Salman Safdar. Full stop. This court also issued notices to the legal heirs of the deceased appellant on all the available addresses, both within the country and abroad. Notices were also published in the leading English newspaper Dawn and the leading Urdu newspaper Jang. The following two questions were also framed. Within bracket 1, whether on the death of the appellant, the appeal did not abate in terms of section 431 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1898, semicolon, and within bracket 2, if the conviction of the appellant is upheld, the consequences thereof, including on the rights, oblique benefits of the appellant and his legal heirs. Full stop. Mr. Salman Safdar, the next paragraph. Learned Mr. Salman Safdar states that did you manage to make contact or you failed to make contact?
Failed to make.
That
Did not respond to my message. This is more of a
Learned Mr. stated that he sent out a number of messages